so this is my account. You can see is a real account. I'm going to reload the page. So okay, I've reloaded the page, so you can see I haven't made any money on this account. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a few things about this Linkpays. All right, so first of all, we are looking at if this is a scam or not, and they tend to pose or show something that looks like as if it's impossible, or something that looks almost totally impossible to achieve. What the fuck is 1000 plus daily click for $8 CPM, 2000 plus daily click for $9 CPM, and the rest of it 4000 plus daily click for $10 CPM. Our payment method: PPay, GPay, UPI, Paytm, bank transfer, and I know most people think most people use UPI, but we're going to see this PayPal 5% fee and Binance USDT available with 10% fee. Okay, you can WhatsApp them with this number. Thanks, Linkpays team. Types of traffic we do not allow. You can go through all these things and see for yourself. Okay, so we want to check if this is a scam or not a scam. One thing I saw here, and I'm glad about this Linkpay, is that they have Telegram where I can chat up their customer service personnel or their support and lay my complaint. Either I do that on Telegram or I do that on WhatsApp. You can see if I should click this WhatsApp button here, it will take me to their WhatsApp, where I'll have to continue in their chat, which is not part of this video, so I'm gonna abort this. So cancel, and we're going back. All right, so moving over to Google to make a kind of like research. This one is best link, and it's best link shortener 2024, and it's coming from their site. I'm not gonna take this. I want an external site that reviews them. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a site like Trustpilot that reviews them, because this is linkpay.io. It's a different website from the one we are reviewing. This one is linkpays.in, meaning Linkpays. This in is showing that the website is an Indian website, like it's an Indian domain. Okay, so if you look here, you can see Linkpays India. All right, so looking at here, I couldn't see something that is satisfying to say that this is this or this is that. But from here, I saw that the trust score of linkpays.in is extremely low. This is a strong indicator that the website may be a scam. And not that I said is a scam. Okay, we move over to YouTube, and on YouTube I got this man here, and I think around here he talked about withdrawing, and you can see the kind of like a list of people that commented on this video about this particular Linkpay. Okay, and from all indications, it shows Linkpay is not a scam. Now, if we look at here, this is his withdrawing part or withdrawal action, and this is what he got.
आर यू श्योर? आपको सिंपली से ओके वाले बटन पर क्लिक करना होगा। तो ये जैसे ही ओके वाले बटन पर अपन ने क्लिक किया, अपना जो विड्रॉल है वो सक्सेसफुली लग चुका है। यहाँ पर आप देख सकेंगे $5.2 शो हो रहा है गाइस पेंडिंग में। शाम को 6 से 8 के
So you can see available balance was 5.295 initially, and now our available balance is 0 because he has withdrawn the remaining of this. And this is the balance. Okay, so I'm actually lacking light here, so bear with me. All right, so I have here that this is not really a scam. Okay, but I'm gonna update this video and clarify you if I make a sale, if I make money on that on this account and I withdraw and it goes well, I'm gonna update this video.